Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoy. The First Amendment has been under attack in recent years, with individuals expressing their First Amendment right to record in publicly accessible areas of government buildings and the government officials who work there. The government employees then start creating rules and policies that keep getting tossed out for violating constitutional rights that the First Amendment protects. It usually takes multiple years and lots of money for someone to fight these cases, and the officials who violate the Constitution know that and use it to their advantage because they know that in most all cases, they themselves aren't held liable for their actions personally. I personally have been trespassed from the Pasco County Tax Collector's Office in retaliation for recording in the publicly accessible areas of the building. The tax collector Mike Fasano and the deputy tax collector Timothy then created no recording policy, which violates the First Amendment. And it's not to protect any privacy of the citizens, as they have tried to claim. It's because they do not want to be recorded. And they've been recorded saying it. Every now and then, some government employees will let things slip that sometimes gives more clarity to certain issues at hand. Here in this video, I'm going to show an attorney that is representing the state of Florida in a Florida District Court of Appeals case, saying,
Party walks into the police station and there's, someone at the desk. There's no expectation of privacy here. It's like you walk into the clerk's office here. There's a bunch of people around. That's not going to be private.
Party walks into the police station and there's someone at the desk. There's no expectation of privacy here. It's like you'd walk into the clerk's office here. There's a bunch of people around. That's not going to be private. Person comes in and they go back to your chambers. That's a private conversation, unless your law clerk's in there or he brought his wife along, then it's not a private conversation.
Well, I'm wondering if, since the tax collector's office usually has a bunch of people in them, are they not also a place where there is no expectations of privacy also? Let me know what you think in the comments. I will put a link in the description to this appeals hearing so that you can hear for yourself in its entirety.
Okay. You want me to just serve from that?
Yeah, you can. So, how are you doing today, sir?
All right, your name?
My name?
Yes.
My name's Deputy Crawford.
Badge number?
6843.
Okay.
Okay. So, do you understand that you can't videotape and record and everything inside the tax collector's office?
No, anywhere a individual is allowed in publicly accessible area, they're allowed to record also.
Okay, but they have a new policy that
But policy doesn't trump the law. Correct?
Policy is in coordination with the law inside of legal counsel that we've gone ahead and worked on.
Right. So you want him trespassed from his establishment?
So who wrote this
So this policy was actually written and drafted by attorneys inside in coordination with the Driver License Privacy and Protection Act to make sure that people's information is not compromised. It does not prevent you from video in any way. Just put some parameters in there that you will be able to request the time and option of whenever you want to come in video, and we'll be able to accommodate that.
But I don't have to ask for permission to record.
We're just going to have to disagree on that, sir. So we can go ahead and battle this out legally if you would like, but as of today, we're going to trespass you for violating that law.
Which law? If it's a law, there has to be a statute.
Yeah, it's right on our door, sir.
Okay, and that statute doesn't have anything to do with recording in the public buildings.
So regardless of that statute, he's wanting you trespassed, so as of right
But
now,
I haven't committed a crime. I haven't done anything wrong. I haven't caused a disturbance.
You don't have to commit a crime for you to be trespassed, okay?
So it can be just because why?
Just because.
Just because.
Yes.
Doesn't have to be a reason.
No.
Are you aware who I am?
No, sir.
Okay, this is going on YouTube, and a lot of people will be aware of what you just said.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah, well, we're going to be on YouTube later, so. Thank you, sir.
Sorry, guys. I know there's better things you guys could be doing. I'm sorry.
It is what it is.
Well, we're going to be on YouTube later, so.
So, hey, maybe we'll be famous. All three of us. He didn't get the most action. He didn't get a lot of action done, so I don't know about him.
I'll be less famous. Supporting cast.
That's right.
But he said there's a male unknown just recording everything and won't leave.
Okay. We do have officers on the way. They will be there shortly. Does he have any weapons I know he has a camera, but other than that, any weapons at all?